Hello guys, in this video we are going to discuss about how to download XAMPP server in your Windows. So let's get started. First we need to open XAMPP websites here. I click this website and you can see the XAMPP server for Windows. This is latest version 8.0.13. Okay, so just click on here. Then download this software XAMPP server. This is full size, is 161 approximate. You can download this, and I have set up this location, download setup location. This is software folder. Then I download this and start downloading. Okay, just wait for a few minutes and the software is downloaded successfully. Open this. After completed this XAMPP server.exe file, just click on double click. And now we are going to install this application. Click on S. This is XAMPP software. Just click on OK, or you can cut this also. Click on next, and all components is here as it is by default. Just click on next again, and you can see this select a folder. This is destination of this software, so you can change this software. I change this. I am going to D drive and create a new folder. I take this name XAMPP, XAMPP. This is all small letter. You can click this. Just copy this path here and paste it here. This is the destination of this downloaded folder. Okay, after completed this, just click on next, and language by default, just click on again next and next. This is installation part, and this is the documentation of the XAMPP server. You can read this all information here if you want. And this is the unpacking files here, and you can see in background all downloads folder in XAMPP folders. Okay, you can see this, and wait for approx 20 to 10 minutes. Just it's depend on your internet, and I wait this some seconds. This is installation of XAMPP server, and in XAMPP page there have all this information. You can see this, and firewall blocked features. You can just need to allow access. Click on allow access here. If you get this pop-up message, then allow access. This is done now. You can see this type option. Then again click on next. Just wait few seconds. This is installation is completed now, and 75%. Just wait some seconds again, and after done it, just we need to click on next. Okay, and click on finish. After done this, you can see this XAMPP control panel. Its version is 3.3.0. okay, and after done it, you can click on Apache, MySQL, and FileZilla. All components is here, and successfully installation done. You can see this all informations. Okay, and if you get any information and if you get any problem in installation, you can see this video again. And if you have any problem, then you can send me message in my Instagram also. So this is all informations here. This all is done now, and XAMPP server is successfully downloaded here. Thank you.